Dinosaurs, the dominant terrestrial vertebrates for over 160 million years, ruled the Earth during the Mesozoic Era, from the Triassic through the Cretaceous periods. These magnificent creatures came in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from the towering, long-necked sauropod to the agile, bird-like theropods. Dinosaurs' reign over prehistoric landscapes has captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike. These are the 15 most dangerous dinosaurs that ever existed. Number 15. T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus rex, commonly known as T-Rex, is one of the most iconic and formidable dinosaurs ever to have roamed the Earth. Living approximately 68 to 66 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period, Rex was an apex predator in its ecosystem. Its fossils have been predominantly found in North America, providing significant insights into its anatomy and behavior. T-Rex was a massive creature, with adults reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, 12 meters, and weighing around 9 tons. Its skull alone was about 5 feet, 1.5 meters, long, housing large, serrated teeth designed for tearing flesh. The powerful bite of T-Rex is estimated to have been one of the strongest of any terrestrial animal, capable of crushing bone. This ability suggests that T could efficiently hunt large prey and scavenge carcasses, leaving little to waste. Despite its formidable size and strength, T-Rex had relatively short arms. However, these arms were extremely strong and possessed 2 clawed fingers, possibly used for holding prey. Its legs were long and muscular, indicating that T-Rex was likely capable of quick bursts of speed, crucial for ambushing prey. Number 14. Sinosauropteryx. Sinosauropteryx, a small theropod dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period approximately 124 to 122 million years ago, is a fascinating species primarily known for its role in the discovery of feathered dinosaurs. First unearthed in the Yixian Formation of Liaoning Province, China, Sinosauropteryx has provided significant insights into the evolution of feathers and the link between dinosaurs and modern birds. Sinosauropteryx was a small, agile predator, measuring about 3.5 feet, 1 meter, in length. Unlike the larger and more formidable theropods like Tyrannosaurus rex, Sinosauropteryx was relatively lightweight and likely relied on its speed and agility to catch small prey such as insects, lizards, and possibly small mammals. Its teeth were sharp and serrated, indicating a carnivorous diet. One of the most remarkable features of Sinosauropteryx is its integumentary structures, which are considered to be primitive feathers. These protofeathers, preserved in stunning detail in some fossil specimens, were filamentous and covered much of its body. Number 13. Liopleurodon. Liopleurodon, a genus of large marine reptiles belonging to the family Pliosauridae, lived during the Middle to Late Jurassic period approximately 160 to 155 million years ago. These formidable predators dominated the prehistoric seas, and their remains have been discovered primarily in Europe, particularly in England and France. Liopleurodon was an apex predator of its time, and some estimates suggest that it could reach lengths of up to 25 meters, 82 feet. Although more conservative estimates put the largest known species, Liopleurodon ferox, at around 6 to 7 meters, 20 to 23 feet. Its massive, streamlined body was adapted for powerful swimming, enabling it to pursue and capture a variety of marine prey. One of the most striking features of Liopleurodon was its enormous skull, which could be over 1.5 meters, 5 feet, long in larger individuals. Number 12. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus, a genus of armored dinosaurs, lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Known for its distinctive body armor and formidable defensive adaptations, Ankylosaurus is one of the most recognizable and fascinating dinosaurs. Ankylosaurus was a large, quadrupedal herbivore, measuring up to 10 meters, 33 feet, in length and weighing around 4 to 8 tons. Its body was low to the ground, supported by sturdy, column-like legs, making it a well-grounded and stable animal. This build, combined with its slow and deliberate movement, suggests that Ankylosaurus was not built for speed but for defense. The most striking feature of Ankylosaurus was its extensive armor. Its body was covered in thick, bony plates called osteoderms, which provided significant protection against predators. These plates were embedded in the skin and arranged in bands across the body, forming a nearly impenetrable shield. Number 11. Sarcosuchus. Sarcosuchus, often referred to as the super croc, was one of the largest crocodile-like reptiles that ever lived. It thrived during the early Cretaceous period, about 112 million years ago, primarily in what is now Africa and South America. This massive predator was a member of the genus Phyllodosauridea and represents an intriguing chapter in the evolution of crocodiliforms. Sarcosuchus was an enormous creature, with estimates suggesting it could grow up to 12 meters, 40 feet, in length and weigh up to 8 tons. Its body structure was similar to modern crocodiles, with a long, low profile and robust limbs that allowed it to move both in water and on land. However, its size far exceeded that of any living crocodile species. One of the most distinctive features of Sarcosuchus was its elongated snout, which accounted for about 75% of the skull's length. This snout was filled with around 100 sharp, conical teeth, ideal for grasping and holding onto slippery prey. Number 10. Allosaurus. Allosaurus, a genus of large theropod dinosaurs, thrived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 150 million years ago. One of the most well-known and studied carnivorous dinosaurs, Allosaurus played a crucial role as an apex predator in its ecosystem. Its fossils have been predominantly found in North America, particularly in the Morrison Formation, a rich fossil site that has yielded numerous well-preserved specimens. Allosaurus was a formidable predator, with adults reaching lengths of up to 10 meters, 33 feet, and weighing around 2.5 tons. Its body was built for agility and power, featuring a large head, a muscular neck, and a robust, S-shaped spine. Its skull, approximately 90 centimeters, 3 feet, long, housed dozens of sharp, serrated teeth designed for slicing through flesh. The teeth were continually replaced throughout its life, ensuring that Allosaurus always had a set of effective cutting tools. Number 9. Troodon. Troodon, a genus of small, bird-like theropod dinosaurs, lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 76 to 66 million years ago. Known for its relatively large brain and keen senses, Troodon is often highlighted as one of the most intelligent dinosaurs, showcasing the evolutionary pathway that led to modern birds. Troodon was a small, agile predator, with adults reaching about 2 to 3 meters, 6.5 to 10 feet, in length and weighing around 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Its body was lightweight and built for speed, with long legs and a slender, flexible tail that provided balance and agility. This physical build suggests that Troodon was a fast and efficient hunter, capable of chasing down small prey. One of the most remarkable features of Troodon was its brain size relative to its body. It had one of the largest known brain-to-body ratios among dinosaurs, indicating a high level of intelligence. This advanced brain structure likely contributed to complex behaviors, including sophisticated hunting strategies and possibly social interactions. Troodon had large, forward-facing eyes, providing excellent binocular vision and depth perception, crucial for hunting. Number 8. Kronosaurus. Kronosaurus, a genus of marine reptiles belonging to the family Pliosauridea, lived during the early Cretaceous period, approximately 125 to 100 million years ago. Named after the Greek titan Kronos, Kronosaurus was one of the largest and most formidable predators of its time, ruling the ancient seas with its impressive size and power. Kronosaurus was an enormous pliosaur, with estimates suggesting it could reach lengths of up to 10 to 12 meters, 33 to 40 feet, and weigh several tons. Its body was robust and streamlined, adapted for powerful swimming. Unlike the long-necked plesiosaurs, pliosaurs like Kronosaurus had relatively short necks and massive heads, making them more streamlined and agile in the water. The skull of Kronosaurus was particularly notable, measuring up to 3 meters. This massive skull housed powerful jaws equipped with large, conical teeth, some of which could be up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, long. Number 7. Amphicoelias fragilimus. Amphicoelias fragilimus, a species of dinosaur whose existence is shrouded in mystery, is often cited as potentially the largest dinosaur ever discovered. This giant sauropod lived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 150 million years ago, in what is now North America. The only known fossil evidence of Amphicoelias fragilis was discovered in the 1870s by the famous paleontologist Edward Drinker Cope, but the original bones have since been lost, leaving behind only Cope's detailed descriptions and drawings. The single vertebra that Cope described from Amphicoelias fragilis was enormous, measuring up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in height. Based on these dimensions, scientists have estimated that the entire dinosaur could have reached lengths of up to 58 meters, 190 feet, and weighed as much as 120 tons, making it significantly larger than any other known dinosaur, including the famous Argentinosaurus and Patagodoton. Amphicoelias fragilis belong to the family Diplodocidae, characterized by their long necks, whip-like tails, and relatively slender bodies. Number 6. Velociraptor. Velociraptor, a genus of small theropod dinosaurs, lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 75 to 71 million years ago. Renowned for its appearance in popular culture, particularly in the Jurassic Park franchise, Velociraptor was a swift and intelligent predator that roamed the ancient landscapes of what is now Mongolia and China. Contrary to its portrayal in movies, Velociraptor was relatively small, with adults typically measuring around 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in length and weighing up to 15 kilograms, 33 pounds. Its body was lightweight and agile, with long, slender legs adapted for running at high speeds. This build, coupled with its sharp, curved claws and powerful jaws, made Velociraptor a formidable hunter, capable of taking down prey larger than itself. Velociraptor's most distinctive feature was the large, sickle-shaped claw on each hind foot, which could reach lengths of up to 7.5 centimeters, 3 inches. Number 5. Asdarchidae. Asdarchidae is a family of pterosaurs, a group of flying reptiles that lived during the Mesozoic Era, particularly during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 100 to 66 million years ago. These creatures were among the largest flying animals ever to have existed, with some species boasting wingspans exceeding 10 meters, 33 feet. Members of the Asdarchidae family, known colloquially as Asdarchids, were characterized by their long, slender necks and large heads, which often comprised a significant portion of their total body length. Their bodies were relatively lightweight and streamlined, optimized for powered flight. Asdarchids had robust, elongated jaws lined with small, pointed teeth, suggesting a diet primarily composed of fish, small vertebrates, and possibly carrion. The most famous and well-studied genus within Asdarchidae is Quetzalcoatlus, named after the Mesoamerican deity Quetzalcoatl. Quetzalcoatlus northropi, the largest known species of pterosaur, had an estimated wingspan of up to 10 to 11 meters, 33 to 36 feet, and stood as tall as a giraffe when on the ground. Number 4. Pelagornis sanders. Pelagornis sandersi is an extinct species of giant seabird that lived approximately 25 to 28 million years ago during the Oligocene epoch. Discovered in 1983 in South Carolina, USA, Pelagornis sandersi is notable for being one of the largest flying birds known to have existed. Pelagornis sandersi had an estimated wingspan of about 6.4 to 7.4 meters, 21 to 24 feet, making it larger than any modern flying bird. Its wingspan was more than twice that of the largest living bird, the wandering albatross. The size of its wings would have allowed Pelagornis sandersi to glide for long distances over the open ocean, utilizing air currents to conserve energy while foraging for fish and other marine prey. This prehistoric seabird belonged to the extinct family Pelagornithidae, commonly known as bony-toothed birds due to the characteristic tooth-like structures along the edges of their beaks. Number 3. Pterodactylus antiquus. Pterodactylus antiquus is one of the most well-known and extensively studied species of pterosaurs, a group of flying reptiles that lived during the Mesozoic Era. Pterodactylus antiquus lived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 150 million years ago, in what is now Europe, particularly in what is now Germany. Pterodactylus antiquus was a relatively small pterosaur, with a wingspan of about 1.5 meters. Its body was lightweight and streamlined, adapted for powered flight. Like other pterosaurs, Pterodactylus antiquus had elongated fourth fingers that supported a membranous wing structure, allowing it to soar through the air with ease. One of the most distinctive features of Pterodactylus antiquus is its skull, which was long, narrow, and pointed. The jaws were lined with numerous small, pointed teeth, ideal for catching and holding onto prey. Pterodactylus antiquus likely fed on a variety of small vertebrates, insects, and possibly even fish. Number 2. Pteranodon longiceps. Pteranodon longiceps is one of the most iconic and well-known species of pterosaurs, a group of flying reptiles that lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 86 to 84 million years ago. Pteranodon longiceps inhabited what is now North America and is particularly famous for its distinctive crest and large wingspan. Pteranodon longiceps was a relatively large pterosaur, with an estimated wingspan ranging from 5 to 7 meters, 16 to 23 feet. Its body was lightweight and streamlined, adapted for powered flight. Like other pterosaurs, Pteranodon longiceps had elongated fourth fingers that supported a membranous wing structure, allowing it to soar effortlessly through the skies. One of the most recognizable features of Pteranodon longiceps is its cranial crest, which was particularly prominent in males. This crest, made of bone and covered in keratin, likely served a variety of functions, including species recognition, mate attraction, and thermoregulation. The exact shape and size of the crest varied among individuals and may have been used in social interactions or display behaviors. Number 1. Dimorphodon macronix. Dimorphodon macronix is a species of pterosaur that lived during the early Jurassic period, approximately 200 million years ago. Dimorphodon belongs to the group of flying reptiles known as pterosaurs, which were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight. Dimorphodon macronix was a relatively small pterosaur, with an estimated wingspan of about 1.4 meters, 4.6 feet. Its name, which means two-formed tooth, refers to the fact that it had two different types of teeth in its jaws. The front teeth were elongated and pointed, while the rear teeth were shorter and more rounded. This dental arrangement suggests that Dimorphodon macronix had a varied diet, possibly feeding on a combination of fish, insects, and other small prey. One of the most distinctive features of Dimorphodon macronix is its skull, which was relatively large and elongated, with a long, pointed snout. The skull also had a prominent crest that extended backward from the eyes, giving the animal a somewhat bird-like appearance. Which of these dinosaurs are you most afraid of? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.